Students, in this video we will solving practice set 18. The question is, this bar graph shows the maximum temperatures in degrees Celsius in different cities on a certain day in February. Observe the graph and answer the questions. Okay, look at here, this is our bar graph and the data has given temperature in degrees Celsius in different cities. आपल्याला काय केलेलं आहे तर फेब्रुवारीमध्ये कोणताही एक डे असेल त्या डेमधलं इथं डिफरंट सिटीजमधलं कोणत्या सिटीमध्ये एकूण किती टेम्परेचर डिग्री सेल्सिअसमध्ये आहे ते इथं दिलेलं आहे. एकूण आपल्याला 5 सिटीजचा डेटा दिलेला आहे. तर आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे की एका दिवसामध्ये त्या सिटीमध्ये किती टेम्परेचर होता. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हॉट डाटा इज शोन ऑन द व्हर्टिकल and the horizontal lines. So look at here, this is a scale on y-axis. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis, and this y-axis is indicate the temperatures. Okay, and x-axis is denoted the cities. Okay, this is the Panchgani, Pune, Chandrapur, Matharan and Nashik. It has 5 cities. So first question is, what data shown on the vertical and the horizontal line? So what data is shown on the vertical and horizontal line? So this is the y axis, means this is our vertical line, and x axis means it is our horizontal line. So temperature is shown on the vertical line and cities are shown on the horizontal line. Okay, hope you understand. Vertical line shows the temperature and horizontal line is shows the what? Cities. So this is the answer of first question. Now second question is, which city had the highest temperature? Which city had the highest temperature? Look at here, it has 5 cities and it has one unit equals to 5 degrees Celsius. So this is our one unit and this unit is indicate the 5 degrees Celsius. So highest temperature means highest degree, so it is 35 degrees Celsius. And which city has? So this is city, so this is a Chandrapur. So which city had the highest temperature? The city Chandrapur had the highest temperature. The temperature is 35 degree Celsius. Okay, now number 3 is, which cities had equal maximum temperature? Which city has equal maximum? तर आपल्याला अशी सिटी दाखवायची की ज्या सिटीमध्ये इक्वल मॅक्सिमम टेम्परेचर असेल. सो लुक ॲट हिअर, पुणे अँड नाशिक. द पुणे अँड नाशिक हॅड अ maximum temperature, equal and maximum temperature. It has 30 and it is also 30. And after that, Panchgani and Matharan also has a maximum equal temperature. It has also 25 and it is also temperature 25. So our answer is Pune and Nashik had the equal maximum temperature of how much degree? 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, and Panchgani and Matharan had the equal maximum temperature of 25 degree Celsius. Okay, number 4, which cities had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius? Which city has? Look at here, it is 30 degrees Celsius. So Pune and Nashik. So we will writing Pune and Nashik had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. आता दोन्ही डिस्ट्रिक्टला किती आहे? 30 डिग्री सेल्सिअस आहे. तर आपला आन्सर काय असणार? पुणे and Nashik had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. What is the difference between the maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur? Look at here, this is the Panchgani 25 and Chandrapur is 35. So what is the difference between Panchgani and Chandrapur? So it has 35 and it has 25. So temperature Chandrapur, what will our answer? The difference between the maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur has, so we will subtracting Chandrapur minus Panchgani. So highest how much? 10%. It means Panchgani Chandrapurचं जे टेम्परेचर आहे पंचगणीपेक्षा 10% जास्त आहे. Okay, hope you understand how to solve this exercise. Now look at here. The question is, what data is shown on the vertical and the horizontal lines? So our answer is, temperature is shown on the vertical line and cities are shown on the horizontal line. Okay, this is our vertical line. इथे टेम्परेचर दाखवलेलं आहे आणि हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईनमध्ये काय दिलं दाखवलेलं आहे, सिटीज दाखवलेले आहे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच सिटी हॅड द हायेस्ट टेम्परेचर? आता चंद्रपूरला हायेस्ट टेम्परेचर आहे. सो द सिटी चंद्रपूर हॅड द हायेस्ट टेम्परेचर. द टेम्परेचर इज हाऊ मच? इट इज 35 degrees Celsius. How much? 35 degrees Celsius. Now third question is, which cities had equal maximum temperature? So Panchgani and Mathेरान has equal maximum temperature. And Pune and Nashik also has a equal maximum temperature. So our answer is, Pune and Nashik had the equal maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Look at here, this is 30 degrees Celsius of Pune and Nashik temperatures. And Panchgani and Mathेरान had the equal maximum temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Panchganiला Mathेरान किती है? 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, hope you understand. Which cities had the maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius? Which city has? So it is Nashik and Pune. So our answer is, Pune and Nashik had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, hope you understand. Now fifth question is, what is the difference between the maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur? Write the difference between Panchgani temperature. The difference between the maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur is, so we will writing temperature of Chandrapur subtracting temperature of Panchgani. So what is the temperature of Chandrapur? The temperature of Chandrapur is 35 degree and temperature of Panchgani is 25 degrees. So we will subtracting. So 35 degrees subtracting about 25 degree. So what will remain? So it is 10 degree Celsius. So highest temperature to the Panchgani to Chandrapur is 10 degrees Celsius. Hope you understand. Okay, write this, solve this exercise and write these answers in your notebook and send on our WhatsApp group. Now we will stop here. Thank you.